हो गया.
Oh, so let's start our presentation. Good morning, friends. Do you think maths is really a mystery? Well, mathematics is not about numbers, equations, or algorithms. It is just about understanding. The one who had understood this game is always the winner of this game. So today we'll have a tour on Maharashtra and solve the mystery of linear equations in two variables. And I, Vaishnavi, is going to be your tour guide for this journey. So pack your bags and hold your seats tight and get ready for the journey. First, let me tell you that how are linear equations used in our day-to-day life, so that it would be more better for you to understand. So in our daily life, we find many things which share one-to-one relation with each other. Like the harder a ball is hit, the farther it will go. Age and height also share relation with each other. As a small baby grows, his height also eventually increases. As we go higher, temperature decreases. So all these things share relations with each other which can be expressed mathematically, and we can find the value of unknown quantity. Quantity and number also share relation with each other. Like two books would cost low than five books. More the books, more would be the cost. So linear equations basically means the equations which have highest power as 1 are termed as linear equations, and in two variables means these equations have two variables used in them. So the two variables can be anything a and b, x and y, w and z, anything of our choice. So linear equations in two variables means equations which have two variables in them and the highest power is 1. Now we'll travel different destinations, meet different people and learn different things. So let's see what is our first destination. So are you excited for this journey? So let's see what is our first destination. So first we'll consider our example. Like suppose if I tell you there are some apples and oranges in this bag and they add up to 10. And secondly, if I give you one more hint that apples are two more than oranges. So the question is, what are the number of apples and oranges? Can you make a guess? Well, I know you can solve this mystery in your mind only. But today we learn how to solve this mystery mathematically and with proper methods. So let us consider that number of apples in the bag are x and number of oranges in the bag are y. So according to the first condition, number of apples plus number of oranges is 10. So our first equation is x plus y equals to 10. The second hint also they have given us in the question that apples are two more than oranges. So from this second condition, we get our second equation as x minus y equals to 2. So let's see how we'll find number of apples and oranges mathematically. So let's see what is our first destination of this journey. So our first destination is Mumbai, and we have Sanket from Mumbai who will tell us what is the standard form of these linear equations.
Introduction. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers and coefficient of x as y. A and b are equal to 0. Standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0.
Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. There is a general form of equation, so we have two equations. X plus y is equals to 10, x minus y is equals to 2, where a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to 1, and c1 is equals to 10, and a2 is equals to 1, b2 is equals to minus 1, c2 is equals to 2, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a is not equals to 0.
Alright, that was quite interesting. And we came to know the standard form of our linear equations. Now let's see what is our second destination. So we have Omkar from Pune who will explain us what is substitution method, how we'll use it, and how we'll get number of apples and oranges you remember in the question.
Substitution method. Step 1. Express y in term of x, either of the equation. Step 2. Substitute value of y in other equation resulting it to reduce in an equation in x. Solve it for x. Step 3. Substitute this value of x in equation used in step 1 to obtain the value of y and get the value of y. Solve the equation with substitution method. X plus y is equal to 10, first equation, and x minus y is equal to second equation. From second equation x is equal to 2 plus y. We will solve with substituting x is equal to 2 plus y in first equation. X plus y is equal to 10. 2 plus y is equal to 10. 2y is equal to 10 minus 2. Y is equal to 8 divided by 2. Y is equal to 4. That's value of y is 4. Substitute y is equal to 4 in equation first or second. For first, x plus y is equal to 10. X plus 4 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 4. X is 6. That is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to.
Oh, we got number of apples and oranges. And did you notice that both these values satisfy our conditions in the question? That is, satisfy both the equations. So if you check that x is number of apples, which is 6, and y is number of oranges, which is 4. Putting the values in first equation, 6 plus 4 is 10, and substituting value in second equations, 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have checked and we came to know that our answer is correct. Now let's see that can we solve these equations by some other method? So we'll have to visit some other destination for this. Let's see what is our next destination. So we have Pranjal from Ahmednagar who will tell us how we'll solve this pair of linear equations using graphical method.
So now I'm going to tell you the graphical method of solving equation. Graphical presentation of linear equation into variables is a straight line. Given a pair of linear equations into variables representing two straight lines taken together, following possibilities can occur. Two lines intersect at a point, then they will have a unique solution. Two lines are parallel, then there will be no solution. Two lines are coincident, then there will be infinitely many solutions.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to solve the equation by graphical method. So let's start. So first have these two equations, x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. So first equation is x plus y equals to 10. We can write this equation like this also, y equals to 10 minus x. So I have made the table and when x equals to 0, then y equals to 10. When x equals to 2, then y equals to 8. When x equals to 3, then y equals to 7. So now the second equation is x minus y equals to 2. Then we can write this also like x equals to 2 plus y, and then when our x equals to 2, then our y equals to 0. When our x equals to 3, y equals to 1. When our x equals to 5, then our y equals to 3. So now we are going to plot these points on the graph. So this is our graph. So of first equation, the first point is 0 comma 10, the second point is 2 comma 8, and the third point is 3 comma 7. So I have drawn a straight line from these 3 points and name this straight line is x plus y equals to 10. Then then the second equation is 2 comma 0, then 3 comma 1, and then 5 comma 3. So I have also draw the straight line through these 3 points and mark this line like x minus y equals to 2. So thank you.
Yay, we got the same answer as we got by solving the equations through substitution method. And the point of intersection of both the equations x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2 is 6 comma 4. The first coordinate is x, which is number of apples, and second coordinate 4, which is y, number of oranges. So we can observe we have got the same answer. But remember, it isn't necessary that both the lines will always be intersecting. As we learned, they can be parallel, they can be coincident also. Coincident, by the way, simply means they are superimposing, they are on each other. So we are back to our place and we have completed our journey. I hope you enjoyed a lot, learned a lot, and it was an informative journey. So let me ask you, what was number of apples and what was number of oranges in a bag? Yes, you're very correct. Number of apples was 6 and number of oranges were 4, which add up to 10. So we solved this mystery mathematically today, and I hope you understood it perfectly. So let's see what is the jackpot question for today's session. So are you ready? Observe the given graph and determine as to how many solutions will the given pair of linear equations have. So your time starts now. And the time is out. So the correct answer for the question is given pair of linear equations will have no solution, because we can observe that the lines are parallel, and we have learned that when lines are parallel, then they have no solutions. Your answer was correct. Here's your reward for the correct answer. Now, let me summarize you as to what we learned today. So, the situations which involve relations in everyday life, they can be expressed in form of equations in our favorite maths. Equations can be solved by substitution or graphical method. When the lines are intersecting, then the equations have unique solution. If the lines are parallel, then the equations will have no solution. If the lines are coincident, then the equations will have infinitely many solutions. So now it's time for me to say you goodbye We'll meet soon next time. Till then, keep learning and be happy.
Lastly, we would just like to thank our maths teacher, Mrs. Babita ma'am, for giving her valuable guidance and instruction for this presentation. Further, we will also like to extend our gratitude to towards all those individuals including our parents, friends who supported us and played a important role in accomplishment of this project. A big thank you to all our audience for listening to us so patiently and supporting us. Our team members are Vaishnavi Gade, Pranjal Pawar, Sanket Kute, Omkar Shirke. Everyone doubts are most welcome. Kindly ask if anyone has. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.